welcome Prime Minister Barzani. I think you and I have known each other for a long time, and it's a while since we've seen each other, and we have a very, very important relationship with the Qatar. And it's one of the things that I came to know a bit during it was when I was Mayor of London. I first came out and talked to you, I remember. But we continue to be very, very firm friends. It's good to see you here today.
Well, thank you, Prime Minister. I'm very pleased to be here once again to see you. You visited us in a very difficult time when we were actually fighting ISIS.
I remember.
Your visit to Kurdistan had a lot of meaning for us, and I'm very pleased to come back. You're a great friend to Iraq and close to Kurdistan. So we're here to discuss the common interests that we have, some of the challenges that we face, and looking forward to our meeting and to discuss the ways to improve our relations.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister Barzani. Thank you all very much. Thank you.